Another important pitch to have in your arsenal when it comes to Papatui's daily routine, and that pitch is it's like a secret curve fastball that you don't throw too often, but you should. It's called eye jump. You know when you don't get enough sleep and your eyes get puffy and you sometimes have dark circles and you didn't get enough sleep because it's not that you were drinking tequila all night, but you were working hard all night. You wake up a little tired and your eyes are puffy, maybe they're a little red, you have those dark circles under your eyes. Well, this stuff here, it's gonna make it better. So I apply it with this cooling rollerball. Our scientists, again, who are way smarter than I am, not that that's hard to be, but they are. They formulated this with hyaluronic acid and, drum roll please, caffeine. That's right, a little bit of caffeine. You'd be surprised. You squeeze it gently and you roll the rollerball under your eyes. You'll see what I mean. I use this daily in the morning, and a little bit of a hack, I do use it at night before I go to bed too as well. I hope you're gonna love it just as much as I do. Enjoy.